In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to bold your text in Discord. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to do the same thing like this. So I'm going to type in my whatever I want, my sentence. So this is very important. So let's say I want to emphasize on these two words, very important. So I'm just going to select them. I can either click this bold option, or I can just click Command B or Control B on your laptop. So I'm just gonna click Command B or Control B. In my case it's Command B, and there you go, it's automatically gonna make it bold. And once I enter, there you go. I'm gonna tell you another way. So let's say this is very important. Let's say I want to make the word very. So I'm just gonna, now I'm gonna hold shift and click 8. This is gonna add a star or a multiplication sign. So I'm gonna write it 2 times before the word and put 2 times after the word. It's automatically gonna make it bold. And now once I enter, it's bold. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.